Hello, I'm Susu. We usually buy a sofa when the first consideration is the price. Sometimes the quality of the sofa will also directly determine the price of the sofa. So what are the factors that determine the price of the sofa? In the budget range, how do we choose to cost-effective sofa? First, the frame. The frame of the sofa is equivalent to the bones of the human body, which supports the shape of the sofa and also determines the durability of the sofa. The general price of the sofa will choose high hardness, not easy to crack the base wood, birch, pine, with mortise and tenon or fastener connection. The whole frame gives a solid feeling. A good internal frame will be at the bottom. Zipper can be seen to see the whole picture. Second, fillings. Fillings for sofas generally include high-density foam, latex, and down, and good sofas use a mixture of all three of them to achieve an excellent experience of high comfort, accurate support, and good resilience. Third, details. Details determine success or failure. Good craftsmanship is also a sofa. Price is one of the determining factors. Good sofa material. We can see its natural texture without splicing, corner bit full and coherent, double pressing sewing thread turning process, clear and straight sewing thread, giving a person a kind of beauty to enjoy. So I suggest that when you are shopping for a sofa, you must pay more attention and make more comparisons. And I believe that you must buy a sofa that looks good and is comfortable.